Hello friends, this is Prashgupta. So today I am going to show you how to make a video on Adobe Spark. As I told you in my previous video, and that was part 1, this is part 2. So let's get started. So this is the Adobe Spark screen, Adobe Spark, which I have logged in with my ID. So the first step is we have to click on this blue plus button. So when you click on this blue plus button, some options will appear here. Which option we have to click is the third one, video. So when I click on video, it will load and something will appear here. Now it's loading. Something appeared here, like it has written, every great story starts somewhere. Tell us about your idea or title. You can always change it later. So it's asking my idea or title. So my idea is journey on phone. What is the journey of phone? How it invented and what is the first phone? So I will write here journey on phone. Now click on this next button. Now it's asking pick a story template or start from scratch. So here are some templates. You can pick this one, anyone if you want to. But I want to start from scratch. So I will click here. Now it's loading. So in video you can make anything, but in video there are some slides. This is a different type of video. So here comes something. Welcome, here are some quick tips to get started. So I don't want these tips. I know how to make a video. So I'll click on OK, I am ready. If you want these tips, you can play this video and see what are the tips. So I will click on OK, I'm ready. And when I click on OK, I'm ready. So there is a screen appeared. You can like I had said, there are some slides. So these are the slides: credits, outro. This is the first slide. You can add one by one more slides. So this is the first slide in which I am going to write journey on phone. So there should be a background. Um, so let's take a background, but how? You can take a theme. Theme is different, but I want the background. So for background, you can search background for journey on phone. So I'll click on images and see some backgrounds. So watch this. I want a simple background, not much. Uh, which one should I take? This one. Yeah, this one. So I will save image as uh, save. Now it's saved in my file explorer. So when I come here, I will click on this plus button. Then there are four options: video, text, photo, icon. So this is add option. You can add anything in these four options. You want to add a video, you want to add text, you want to add photo, you want to add icon. So I want to add photo as background. So I will take photo. Here are some options. Find free photos. Scroll down. So upload photo or take photo. I want to upload photo as I saved in my file explorer. So mm, there's that picture. Yeah, here it is. So I will click on open. Then it will appear here. Now it's loading, but it's appeared here. So there is one more function, that is you can increase the time of this slide like this. So I have done till 2 seconds now only. Firstly, I will add a text now. So the text is journey on phone. Okay. So this is the text. You can maximize it, minimize it like this or this. This one is much better. So it's saying me drag and drop text. Click drag and drop your text for different alignment options. But how, I didn't understand it. And if I do caption, no. Title and text, no. Split screen, no. Full screen, full screen is better. So this is my first slide. I will do it on 3 seconds. 3 seconds. No, 4 seconds. 4 seconds will be good. Okay. So I have done it on 4 seconds. You can play it. Preview. Some music is coming. So you can music. You can add my music or select other music from here. Like this is this one. But this one is good. So I don't want to change it. You can change it if you want to. I will increase the volume of the music. So there is one more thing, that is voiceover. You can add voice in your so it's saying press and hold here while speaking. So it's saying you have to press and hold while speaking. So I don't want to add voiceover, so you can add if you want to. So let's add one more slide. So in the next slide, I have the first telephone. So the first name of the telephone is dial phone. It is the name of it is dial phone. So here I can search who, नहीं, no, 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 some images of dial phone. Yeah. So let's come on images. Uh, I have the year also. So let's write the year. 1919. Yeah, 1919. 1919. Yeah. So this was the dial phone of 1919. So I can pick any image of dial phone. So I can show this is the dial phone. See how it looks. 1919. So this is the dial phone in which this here where we can speak, and here's the receiver from where you listen the one who is speaking. Here you can dial. So these are these functions. So I will take I will take two images. First this one, save, and then this one. Okay. So I have downloaded, I mean, save two images. So I will go here and add photo, upload photo, and then I will select the first one that I have selected. So here's the first one. I will take the layout as split screen. Split screen, then, mm, yeah, I will take one more photo. So here should be two photos. We can add one more photo here, but I want to add one photo here. So it should be two photos. Upload photo and then the second one. So now I have taken the second one. This is the second one. Mm, So this is the second one. You can increase the time. Okay. Now if I want to add some text, so I will add, wait, I will add, no. Yes, this is some bigger photo. I can minimize it. So the phone will be appeared clearly. So I will click here. No, 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 no. You can do undo, but where's the undo option? Here. Yes. So I cannot write text as I have done some two photos. Then I will click on a new slide. Then the new slide appears. So I want to write text. So the text is dial phone. So friends, my video is not longer than this, so I cannot make more of this. So I will make one or mostly two more parts of it to complete the video in Adobe Spark. So bye bye till my next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, share with your friends, and what nothing. And if you subscribe, please click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification from my side that I have put my new video. So till my next video, bye bye.